Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch in DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if it's not, thank you so much for your support in coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing a huge thrift haul with you guys. I found so many good items, lots of wood pieces, which is always what I'm looking for when I want to redo projects. I always look for wood pieces, and I found so many of them. So I really wanted to take the time to do this video and share this awesome haul with you guys. So sit down, relax, grab a nice warm cup of tea, and let's get started. So I'm going to start with these two books. I love the size of it. It's kind of perfect sizes for layering, and I'm going to take these covers off and show you how beautiful, and the tones of these books are absolutely perfect. The color is so suiting for my decor. So let's look at these. Look at this beautiful light gray book. It's a really good size and it's in mint condition. And this one is a nice light grayish beige. It's absolutely perfect. It's got the gold writing on it, and so as this one. So look how nice they look together, and I'm definitely gonna use this in multiple decors for layering pieces. So get yourself some of these books. I paid $2 each book, which I thought was really worth it for such good condition. I got these beautiful candlestick. They are gold. I paid $4.99 for both of these pieces. And lately I've been loving the long skinny candlesticks. I don't know about you guys, but they are really calling to me. So these are absolutely gorgeous. I got one of those little crafts embroidery loop for $1. So I'm going to make some type of a projects with this for sure. I have a good idea in mind, so you will have to see what I'm doing with these. I also found multiple, actually 4 of these. They look like the one I just showed you in embroidery, sorry. Canvas frame, whatever you want to call them. These are actually plastic. I paid 50 cents each, and this actually comes apart. It needs a good cleaning, but I think it would be really pretty to do some vintage pieces with this. So if I don't use them, I do have a friend that's really into vintage, and I will give these to her if I can come up with an idea of my own. I have made a project with this kind of thrift store item before, and it was really popular, and I found 3 more. I paid $4.99 for these 2 pieces. There's one smaller than the other, and I had transformed them. I actually have a video on how I transform these, and I will put the link in the description box if you want to see how I transform these beautiful ceramic balls. And I also found a smaller version in a different color at $4.99 as well. So it cost me $10 for the set. And they make really, really nice projects. So have a look at that link that I'm posting below to see what they turned out like. I found this ring thing. It's got the candle holder on it. I'm going to take this out and show you. So it has the little candle holder to put inside of it. Um, I'm not sure that I'm going to keep these. I have some sort of an idea with this. This is going to be painted, and dragonfly seems to be very popular, so I'm going to do a beautiful piece with this. You'll have to stay tuned to see how I transform this. It will be beautiful. You may hear my parrot chirping. That's Pina Colada. I apologize for that, but she lives in this house, so I found this cute little basket. Of course, this is all gonna be coming off. I'm gonna beautify this for sure. I paid $3 for this piece. I got this beautiful wired lantern. It opens on the bottom. I paid $6 for this, but I think it's well worth it. It opens up here like so. I wish it would open differently, but it doesn't, and it is what it is. This came filled with potpourri, so I took it all out so I could show you what it really looks like and how beautiful it is. Look at this beautiful wood piece. I paid $5.99 for this piece. The handle is broken, but I'm going to sand that and put some putty on it and fixed it, and I'm going to beautify this piece. It's a beautiful jar. I think this will turn out to be absolutely gorgeous when it's done. I got these beautiful bowls for $7.99, $2 a piece, and I think it's really worth it when you're working with wood projects. These are actually really nice if you wanted to keep them to use them in your kitchen, but I'm not. I'm going to DIY these. I got this beauty and I thought she looked really interesting. It looks like a wooden frying pan. That's what it looks like to me. If you guys know what this is, tell me, but it looks like a wooden frying pan. I paid $6.99 and I got it because I have never seen a piece like this before, and it really caught my eye. So I'm certainly going to beautify this for sure. I think it would be nice just done up and hung up on some sort of a, sidewall rack or anything like that as a nice rustic look. I'm not feeling this kind of a reddish orange tone color, so I will change that, but I think she is just gorgeous. Let me know what you think of this unique pieces. Have you seen one of these before? I haven't. I thrift a lot and I haven't. I got this beautiful book holder. How perfect will this be for a nautical theme look? These will be DIY for sure, and nice neutral, soft, sea-like colors, some nice tone of grays and beige and the aqua blues or blue of some sort. And I paid $10 for this set, but I think it's really worth the money. I have a lot of my friends that are into nautical look items, so I think they will absolutely love this piece when it's done. It's absolutely gorgeous. This reminds me of my grandfather. My grandfather used to build these little wooden boats. They were absolutely gorgeous. And then I have my uncle in a PEI. God love his soul, does the exact same thing. They are very talented with the woodwork. Not me, not so much. In other areas maybe, but as soon as I saw this piece, the both of them came to mind, so I had to take this home. I got this lamp base. I paid $3.99 for this piece, and I'm not sure if I'll keep this as a lamp or not. We'll see. I may transform it back to a lamp. or I may do something else with it. But I thought it was a really nice wood piece, and this would be really nice with some sort of a design here. I'm thinking maybe a dragonfly. Summer, spring is coming, so I'm gonna go more towards maybe those kind of projects in the near future. And yeah, I'm seeing this really nice whitewash with some dragonfly and some aqua color into it. Let me know what you think. I got this beautiful bucket. This is gorgeous. It's got the leather stripes and the metal tag all around it. And look at these handles. These are gorgeous. I paid $4.99 for this piece. I'm not sure if I will put some paint into that, some a dry brush or not. Let me know what you guys think of this piece. I think this would be really nice whitewash with a beautiful design here up front. But let me know, would you leave it as is or would you DIY it? Let me know in the comments down below what you would do with this piece. I got this wooden bowl for 50 cents. If you watch my Decorate With Me spring bedroom decor, you'll see in my nightstand some beautiful candle holders. Those are DIYs. I will put the link in the description down below how I made those candlesticks, and I actually use bowls very similar to this to create those candlesticks. So go have a look. For 50 cents, it's really worth it. This will make another beautiful candlestick. I got this bowl for 50 cents. This will definitely be a DIY. I'm not 100% sure what I will do with it at the moment, but I know I will come up with an idea for this beauty. I got this beautiful basket. This basket is like new condition. I paid $4.99 for this piece, and it's intact. I'm not digging this color. I'm gonna try to make this a little bit more rustic, but even the fabric on it looks brand new. This is a good color for spring if you're into that kind of stuff and very colorful things. I'm picturing a really nice plaque up front with a nice rustic design on it with a little bit of this green into it. I think that would be beautiful. Let me know your thoughts on this idea. Should I keep this insert as is, or should I change it? Just let me know your thoughts on this. I got this beautiful little reindeer for $2. This look and carved. There's no marks, there's no signature, but look at this beauty. This will be beautiful for fall, Christmas time, or any kind of rustic outdoorsy design that you have going on. This would be beautiful. I don't think I'll touch this. This is pretty nice. What do you think? Look at the details. That's super cute. I wish I could make pieces like this. Few pieces I have left are quite large, so I'm going to show them to you the best I can. And these are wood pieces. I think they are phenomenal. So let me show you those. Look at this. I'm going to say magazine rack. It's filthy. Really dirty, gross, but I'll get my hands on that. It'll be like new. I paid $7.99 for this piece, and this actually swivels. And I've never seen a piece like this. If you have, let me know. On the other side is just like a flat board where you can lay something on it, and it lays on an angle almost like a chair. So it's kind of interesting. I've never seen a piece like this before, but you know, I had to take this wood piece home with me. The color will definitely be changing, and yeah, we'll see what I come up for this piece. What do you think of this piece? Isn't it gorgeous? I found this beautiful wood piece. It has an ugly hook on top. That's gonna go for sure. The color is going to go for sure. I'm gonna DIY this, but it looks like a big lantern. It's really interesting. And in here you see an inch, and that's because this actually swivels to the side. So if you want to put something in here. So I paid $9.99 for this piece. So this would be good for like a huge candle or some kind of a planter. And my idea is to get a really big post on the bottom and do like a really nice big wood lantern for it. And it would be good for any decor all year round. So I think this will be fabulous when I'm done with it. Let me know what you think of this piece. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I got this beautiful table for $15. It's got this cute little rest area for your cup or your phone or whatever. And I'm definitely going to beautify this piece. And it's got super long legs. So I think this piece will be beautiful set in a corner, maybe with a nice plant on it or a lamp or just a few decor. So it's very long. I'm not sure how tall it is. Probably maybe 3 feet, maybe 3.5. Not sure. I haven't measured it. And last but not least, look at this piece. This is very tall. I will show you a picture. Start by the bottom. It's got the beautiful little legs here. And these are actually plant holders. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these going all the way to the top. And it's got these groove all along, all the spindles right to the top. It's got the cork finish on here. So I think that this piece, when it's all redone, will be stunning. It's got, oh, filthy again, dirty, but it's got a 4 base leg, which I absolutely love. And this is all solid wood. So that's a big bonus. And I think once this is filled with some beautiful decor, that will be stunning. This looks like it's about 3 feet tall. So let me know what you think of this unique pieces. I've never seen one of these before, and I was a little bit excited when I came across it. So let me know your thoughts. Well, that's it for this thrift store haul. I hope you enjoyed looking at all these beauties. I love every single one of these pieces that I found. I can't wait to get my hands on these to beautify these pieces. Some of these will go for a resale, but some of these will obviously be staying home with me. So give me the big thumbs up if you like my video. I want to hear your comments down below. Don't forget to tell me your thoughts on some of these items. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like these type of videos, well, I have them coming all the time. So hit that subscribe button and join Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. Until next time, folks, thank you and have a wonderful day.